Hello guys, magandang gabi. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe guys, mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel ni Manong D TV. Shout out nga pala guys sa channel ni Lutong Bahay ni Lin. Ito guys, kita nyo guys. Shout out sa kanya. Lutong Bahay ni Lin. Please subscribe guys sa channel ni Lutong Bahay ni Lin. Maganda doon guys, makita nyo doon yung paano magluto ng mga pang merienda mga kakanin guys. Suportan nyo guys ang channel ni Lutong Bahay ni Lin. Okay guys, ito na yun guys, yung bago kong ginawa na kanta guys. Subukan ko sa English guys kung anong kalabasan nito guys. As usual guys, it's all about heartaches and frustration and my sad experiences. Losing you is my price. Ang pamagat ito guys is losing you is my price. Ito na guys. I want to be a traveler on my own way. I don't want you anymore to go with me and help me find the way. I want to do it on my own. I don't want your arms to land on, 'cause now I can do it all on my own. Baby, I need you no more. Please stop whispering and knocking my door, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Tried to do something just to take you back before, but I only wasted my time. You just ignore. Now that I'm ready to be alone, you came back and wanted again to be my own. Are you kidding? You're just wasting time. Stop, go back and leave me behind. I don't want you anymore. I don't need you anymore. I don't love you anymore, 'cause I really move on and I hate you for more. No, 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 no. 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 I don't think it once, twice, or thrice, but many times as the days you left me behind. Yes, I was in trouble. I'm troubled. Yes, I came after some time. Many time, often time, since I lost you. But losing you is my price. 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 Thank you for watching Manong DTV. Again, shout out to Lutong Bahay ni Len. Just support her channel. Guys, thank you very much and good night. Bye bye.